You are practically piggybacking, hijacking, stealing from Google's own authority, all for free, instead of trying to build your own system from scratch. Most people are failing at affiliate marketing and making money online because they think they need a website, ads, a big following, something to go viral. I'm going to show you how people are making a killing on affiliate marketing with Google Docs. This is insane. This is something I have yet to come across anybody else teach. And this is a dangerous method that can make your pockets fat. No websites, no ads, and barely any tech skills. This is going to be one of the simplest methods that I have ever taught. And it's great for beginners. And it's just something that flat out works. And yes, this literally works because Google loves Google. You'll see what I mean here. Keep watching towards the end. You will be surprised about how simple this whole method is. If you don't know me, my name is Antonio X. Carter of Operation Emancipation Occupation, kicking your 9 to 5 to the curb. I teach all things making money online, especially affiliate marketing, if you haven't figured that out by now. Inside this video, what I am going to teach you is how this Google Doc method actually works, which means that it's free. You don't have to pay any money for anything. Why this will rank in Google, how to put your affiliate links inside of it and promote your affiliate links for free, where to promote it and get free traffic so that you can make that cha-ching, and how this whole thing actually worked to your benefit to create a lifestyle that people would dream of. Here's the basic thing that you need to understand here in this first part. Google trusts its own platform before it trusts anything else. It's kind of cheating. So if you use anything Google, it's going to refer Google back to you. In the search engine, you type in something, the results is going to first be populated with the Google preferred result, and then everything else. Blog posts, other websites, whatever. This includes Google Docs, Google Drives, and of course, Google Sites, which is highly underused. So now when you create something with Google Docs, Google doesn't treat it like spam. It treats it like content. You probably didn't even know that Google can use Google Docs in order to give you your results for your search engine optimization. So now we just have to give Google what it wants in order to what we call get indexed or recognized. This just simply means that Google sees your information out there on the internet and it shows you the information as the individual who's searching for an answer on Google. You are practically piggybacking, hijacking, stealing from Google's own authority, all for free, instead of trying to build your own system from scratch. I don't know about you, but to me, what this sounds like is blogging 3.0. Your mind's going to be blown by this. So check this out. Watch it all the way to the end. If you like this so far, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Help a brother get to 10,000 subscribers. Check out all the free links that I got for you down below to help you along your journey. Let's go ahead and get into this. Step number 1, create your Google Doc. This is very simple. A lot of you have already done this before. I don't want to waste my time into creating a Google Doc. What I will tell you is that you can create almost anything. You can create a checklist. You can create a mini guide, some type of format that looks like a PDF, but it's not really a PDF. Something that is step-by-step and something that will provide phenomenal results. You need something that is going to give you a quick win for the person who comes across your documents or your information rather. For me, this would be my affiliate marketing checklist. I have a starter kit down below in the description. It shows you how to get your first commission in 7 days. Just follow that. It's a checklist that you just do what I tell you and you follow my recommendations and you give yourself a strong chance of making some good money online. Maybe you want to show somebody how to set something up. Maybe it's 5 tips to some type of accomplishment. Maybe you want to help somebody lose weight. 5 tips to lose 5 pounds in the next 10 days. You can create a Google Doc on that. So now here's the key part, because I definitely don't want to skip over this part. This is where the magic happens. You have to make sure that you format your documents correctly. By formatting your documents correctly, Google can now say, oh, look, here's a new document. This is the information displayed on it. I think this relates to the term searched from Google. There's something called H1 headings. That is going to be your title. Don't make the title big because you made the font size 50. You'll want to highlight your header or your heading and go and click Format. Choose your heading to be H1 and hit Apply Heading. This is very important for SEO because without this, there is no way that Google is going to recognize what your document and your information is about. You're going to want to use short paragraphs. You're going to want to use H2 headings and H3 headings. H2 headings is for the headlines of those short paragraphs. All of those are going to be H2. And then if you want to do another section inside of that, those will be H3 headings. You'll want to do bullet points, screenshots, right? You want to treat this like an actual blog. I have a blogging background. This makes complete total sense. If you don't understand blogging, I made a video about this. You can check above and watch my video about blogging, but I don't want to make this overcomplicated. If none of this makes sense, type help in the comments and I can break down some extra things that maybe I can create another video. Tell me exactly what you guys are confused about. I'll create another video about it. Now that you know what's inside of the Google Doc, I'm going to place a link down in the description with something that I've created. You guys can go ahead and check it out. You can copy it and you can adjust it to your liking. Creating the document is the hard part. Placing your affiliate links inside of the document is the easy part. So now you're going to highlight the texts. You're going to sprinkle 2 or 3 of your affiliate products within the document. And you're going to do this 2 to 3 times as well. You don't want to overload your document with affiliate links. You just want to probably have a total of maybe 3 to 5 affiliate links. If you have not created a Google Drive in order to create your own Google documents, the link for that is down below as well. Step 2, add those affiliate links. Like I just told you, you want to sprinkle them throughout the document. Don't stuff the document. You want to treat this as an affiliate, right? This is what I teach on my channel on probably 95% of my videos. You're recommending something, you're not selling something. You're providing the information. Somebody came across your information that is going to answer their question, and now you want to simply direct them or provide them that solution to whatever it is that they're looking for. It is at that point where you provide the affiliate link for that product that you are recommending to solve that issue. They will thank you for it later. As a matter of fact, as they read your document, they're going, please give me the answer. And then they click on it. They say, thank you for giving me the answer. You can use something as a link shortener like Bitly if you want to. This also helps you track where your links are coming from. I personally use Bitly a lot. So go ahead, check that out. Link is down below. Step 3, this is the part that a lot of people do not do, and that is to make your document public. If you don't do this, Google is not going to see your document that you created. And all you got to do, this is very simple. This is one of the easiest things to do, but it's a step that a lot of people skip. What I need you to do is share your document with anyone who has the link. What you're going to do is you're going to click the icon. You're going to see the lock. It should say share with the lock. You click it, and then you have the option to make it viewable by anyone who has the link. Another way to do this, you hit file, you hit share, you select the option where anyone with the link can view the document. Now, you don't want to give them editors permission. They just need permission to view the document. That way, whomever has your link can not only just see it, they can also read it. Now, with that said, when you title your document in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to want to make that the same as the heading that you made in the document itself. Sometimes it automatically does this, and then other times you have to manually do it. You don't want somebody clicking on a document that's called Untitled 4, like the number 4, even though it has all the information that you made about working out and losing weight and getting a 6-pack in 10 days. They're not going to click it because the title is completely off. Make the title relevant with keywords according to the document. Okay, I hear what you're saying. Antonio, I made this document. You're talking about it being searchable by Google. I made it shareable. How in the world is Google going to find my information and refer it to other people who are searching? I got you. Hold your horses. This is where we talk about distribution. This is where the hustle comes in. This is where most people stop. A lot of people say, oh, this method doesn't work. And they say that for every single other method. It's because they stop right here. But I guarantee you, if you're able to go through this step and you're able to repeat this over and over again, you will make big dollars. So now that link that you got earlier, you're able to take that link and copy it, and you're able to paste it into other places. You're going to take this link and you're going to create YouTube content, whether with your face like this, or you're going to use an AI platform that creates phenomenal videos like Syllabi. that creates phenomenal faceless content. After you create the content, you're going to go in the description, like I say down below, and click the link and put the link there so people can click it and go over to your document. You're going to paste this link in your YouTube comments, just like you see in my comments for my recommended products. That shows you how I was able to make $10,000 months with the same system of pretty much how I'm showing you guys. Check my comments, you'll see it. You have the TikTok bio, Instagram bio. You have Facebook groups, Reddit, Medium, your own blog posts, Quora. You can literally paste this link anywhere. Now, sometimes, like TikTok, you don't use the link exactly how it looks and put that in the bio. What you'll have to do is create something like a stand store or some type of landing page, which I created a landing page that looks exactly like a stand store. You can go ahead and download that template down below. All you need is System.io. I created it for specific methods like this because we're trying to keep things for free, right? Download the template and then use this link that you just created with the Google Doc and put that on the stand store for people to access as a free checklist or free PDF or free whatever it is. You're not spamming links, okay? You're sharing free information. You don't want to just shotgun the method. You want to be methodical and very strategic about what I'm showing you guys. So now when you do all of this properly, all right, you've created a phenomenal document. You've sprinkled your affiliate links in a document. You've done your formatting so that Google can now read your document correctly when it puts your information in front of the viewer. You have created the platforms so that you can distribute or paste your links in those certain places. So the real question is, how does Google actually do this? Google is going to return your information with the results to the viewer. It's going to create clicks. It's going to see how much time is spent people reading your information and clicking on stuff and going through it. Google Analytics is then going to pick that up, clicking to other documents. Maybe you put a link to another document. Google loves this stuff because what it is telling Google is that this is safe and proper information and people absolutely love it. It is not the creation of the product of the Google Docs that makes it popular to Google itself. It is the fact that it is getting clicks and that other people are seeing it on other platforms. Other platforms are pointing to your link, and this is telling Google this is good stuff. Put this in front of everybody who searches for a specific term within that niche. That is how your document is going to be indexed automatically. Please let me know if this made sense, guys. I tried to break it down. I tried to make it as first or second grade as possible for everybody, whether you're expert or a beginner. But I'm telling you right now, you do this method, it works. And it's a backdoor to everything else that nobody's doing. This is an extreme blue ocean that marketers have not gotten a hold of yet and saturated. You've been looking for that opportunity. This is your chance. Now, if you really want more hands-on when it comes to structuring the document, researching the type of niche or whatever the case may be with this Google document, I'm here. I want to invite you to gaining access to my first affiliate marketing video course. I'm looking for a few more people to purchase it. I have it for $47 at the moment, so I can increase it to $297. And these are the methods that I use to go from 0 to 10K in your first 90 days. It's beginner friendly. There's no ads. There's screen shares, real walkthroughs, and then your boy shows up live as well for the first 10 purchasers. So this will not last for very long. If you want help with this particular method, I will be available so that we can walk through this method. It's so simple. And then lastly, if you don't want to do stuff alone, but you want somebody to hold you by the hand and take you step by step because you're more like me and you need more accountability and a kick in the pants, you want somebody to literally show you how to pick offers, how to build these things online and make a profitable business to help you move along when you get stuck because you stopped. I'm here. I also want to invite you to mentorship to where you purchase one of the products as an affiliate. I will come along and assist you. I have an 8 to 12 week mentorship course where I help you build that business. No hype, just execution. I know what it's like. I've been there. So that way we can go to 10K months and then 10K months and hopefully 100K years and beyond. If this has helped you so far, go ahead and hit that like button and then hit the subscribe button. I create tons of videos like this, especially as we go into this next year. You're going to see me a whole lot because I'm about to crush it. It's not too late to start your business, but the door is closing, so you better start now. Make sure you grab the free resources that I provided below, and don't forget to check out this video right here. This is probably one of the best methods that I've taught on so that you can make your first $100 in 24 hours with ClickBank products. I told you I'm all about results, baby. Go ahead, click that, watch it right now. We'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces!